Here's a quick demo about how to install and use the NVIDIA AI-Q skill from Codex. Here's the architecture overview. On the left, you have the developer desktop. That's the workstation where we're going to run Codex. Then we have, of course, a request to the host machine. In this case, I'm using a different machine to run IQ and all its sub-agents. And then the inference itself for those agents is hosted on build.nvidia.com with all the different models here involved in this architecture. On the GitHub for IQ, we have detailed instructions on how to get started and set up your local instance of IQ, including how to obtain keys. I have done this already, so I'm just going to run the start script. This is going to start the front end and the back end, and it's also going to display the IP address and the ports that you're going to need later to set up the skill from Codex. I'm going to copy these now. I'm going to use this here in my instructions with Codex. So I'm going to copy these instructions and paste directly in Codex, including the port and IP address as well as the location of the skill itself. That way, Codex is going to fetch the skill, do the installation, and also update my environment variables to use the IP address and port that I provided here as the example. It's running the installer now, and once it finishes, it's going to update the environment variables. But let me just show you that the detailed instructions for how to install the skill and also some details on how to configure for Claude or OpenCode or Codex can be found on the GitHub page, as you can see here. But I prefer the approach of just asking Codex to do the installation. It's just easier for me. So it's going to complete the installation now. It updated the environment variable. Great. It's pretty much good to go. So I can restart Codex to run, but actually the skill already shows available here. So maybe the restart's not necessary anymore. So I'm going to copy an example query here. Copy and paste. And now I'm going to trigger a deep research using the IQ skill on this topic, right? So it's going to start the job. So it's going to submit a request to IQ. And I can actually show the ID of the job here, but also I can show you the work behind the scenes on the agent-to-agent interaction, all the sub-agents and the tool calling that IQ is doing behind the scenes to process that specific deep research query. You can see here the chat between all the multiple sub-agents, the interaction between them, the tool call and the tool results, the reasoning that it's doing to produce a high quality report, all that good stuff. Now a detailed report takes some time, so I'm gonna accelerate here a little bit the video, and you see that 7 minutes later the report is complete. Again, it's a fairly detailed report. Codex here produces a summary, right? You can understand here the conclusion and some of the summary details for the comparison that it's doing and the references and sources. But I'm asking for the detailed report, so you get the full report that IQ produced with all the subsections, all the detailed recommendation and analysis that it did to produce the response for this report, specifically the synthesis, the comparison, the limitations, and all that you would need for an enterprise-ready report, including, of course, the citation and the sources. This is really a core differentiation that you get from IQ. To summarize, this is what we built today. So consuming IQ from Codex, and this is the entire request flow of the demo. Thank you.